Welcome to aceplace.co.nz. In this video, we are going to show you how to manage your Ace Place that you have set up and work with members, accept membership requests, and add content to your Ace Place. So let's assume that you've already logged in. So you would have gone into the login area at the bottom right corner, and you want to go to My Place because that's where you're going to be managing the account. And in here you have under your profile the places that you're managing. So in this particular instance we have the Learn to Cook Japanese Food, and this is the area that we're going to be working with today. So in this part of the site, you can manage your Ace Place. You can add photographs. So in this instance, we've got a Japanese cooking class. We want to add some photographs. You can add photos individually, or you can add an album. So if you want to add an album, let's do that. So we've got one here, and we have the album. And then if you want to add photos to the album, you can click and see the images. You can add photos by doing this. So choose your album, Japanese dishes. We're going to upload some images. So you can click on all of them at once by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard. Open and click upload. And then they're all there in that album. So anyone who joins your Ace Place group will be able to see the images that you've shared. So that's a great opportunity to actually help engage people who've been to one of your sessions at your Ace Place, whatever you might be teaching or sharing, so they can share with each other and also have the opportunity to share those images elsewhere online. So the next thing we want to do is to look at members. So people can request to join an Ace Place. They've searched inside the site and found your particular Ace Place, and they're interested in joining it. They can send a membership request from their profile, and once that happens, you'll get an email. So you have an email come through into the account that you're using on the site, and then all you need to do is to go into the members area, and you can accept or decline the membership request. If you want to, you can also look at the profile of the person who's making that request, so you can get a little bit of information before you decide, and then you can simply click on accept. And now you've added another member to your Ace Place. Now, if you want to, you can make that person an admin. If you are already the admin, so I'm the admin of this group, I could remove myself if I wanted to and make someone else the admin if I wanted to. So that's basically how we do those things. We can send messages within the group as well. So this is sending a message to the administrators of the site. If you have any questions or you need any help with anything, you can leave the Ace Place if you no longer wish to have the Ace Place running. And of course, you can edit and make any changes that you want to as well, simply by clicking that little icon up there. So you can change the image, you can change the cover image, and you can change the information inside your Ace Place if you wish. Simply go back to get back to your main page, and that's how to manage your Ace Place. Enjoy! If you would like to find out any more information, please look at the other videos on the About page on aceplace.co.nz/about or on our YouTube channel, and you should find all the things you need to know to help you make the most of the Ace Place website. Thank you for joining us.